Hi guys, Happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoyed Christmas with family and friends and also stayed safe. This is my first upload for this year. So today we're going to start by cleaning and organizing the fridge. If this is the kind of video you love to watch, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and turn on your notification button so you don't miss any of the uploads. Thank you, and let's get started. So I'm going to start by removing everything from the fridge so that we can start cleaning and organizing. So thank you all for tuning back. For the old subscribers, I really appreciate you and I am grateful. If you're new, welcome and feel at home. How often do you guys clean out your fridge or sort things out, go through the fridge and freezer? And maybe next time I'll have to do the freezer because it's a little bit cluttered as well. But for now I'm sticking with the fridge because that's the main place we always use. So as you can see, I'm removing everything from the fridge and also from the door side of the fridge so I can wipe everything down. Let me give you an overview of how dirty the fridge is. I'm not done with removing everything from inside, but you can see how dirty it is. Oh. So what I'm going to do is spray down the fridge with this vinegar so it can settle in while I wash out things I bought new. So most of these containers I got from the dollar store and Target. The egg crate is from the dollar store and it holds I think 16 eggs, while these containers are from Target. I tried looking around the dollar store for containers, but they didn't have what I like, and so I went to Target and they had some nice things. So I'm going to wash them down and remove the labels so I can be able to use them in the fridge. So these parts I brought them out to wash because they're really filthy and they really needed a good scrub. So I usually do that and then put them back after I've cleaned down the other parts of the fridge. So leave a comment down below and let me know how often you clean your fridge, and if you have a lot of containers you use, what you use, and if you feel they're necessary to put in containers to organize, and how you like what I did. Just leave a comment down below. So I'm done with all the cleaning and I'm putting back all the fridge components. But I'm always finding it hard putting back everything the way it was. So this egg crate only contains, I think that's 12 eggs. Is it 12 or 16? I can't remember. And our eggs come from Sam's Club and they're always 18. So they contain 16 eggs and I'll probably have to go back for one more because we usually buy more than one crate each time we go shopping. But I love how it turned out and how it looks. I also have an extra small crate where I keep some eggs as well. So I got these containers from Amazon for storing fruits and vegetables. They're really nice because they help the vegetables and fruits stay fresh without getting soaked in their own juice. So I'm loving how this whole fridge is turning out. So organized, easy to find things you need to buy, things you don't have. Then the kids can easily grab their things when they want it. So this is where I keep leftover fruits, and then this is for juice, fruits, yogurts, dairy products, my eggs, butter, avocado, the chopped up vegetable and fruits. Then down below I have produce, onions. By the door we have jam, ketchup, mayo, yum yum sauce. So water and Rite Aid. Is that Rite Aid? Oh, Powerade. Down below I also keep my squeezed lemon that I use when I need it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and also click on that notification button so you don't miss the next upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.